Uptime, a word that every operations, maintenance, and facility leader uses to monitor the efficiency, quality, and safety of their business. Successful uptime is only as good as your team and the reliability of the equipment you use. LiftPoint lifts, made by Mohawk, USA's most trusted lift manufacturer, offer a range of superior products for material handling operations that keep repair technicians off their backs and on their feet. What does this mean for you? More work done, a happier and safer team, less injuries, and less workers' comp exposures. LiftPoint lifts are built to meet the specific needs and unique weight distribution requirements of your equipment, including our industry-first two-post lift solution, capable of servicing traditional forklifts, order pickers, electrical pallet jacks, even reach trucks. When choosing a LiftPoint lift, you receive the assurance of our industry-leading 25-year warranty, making it the most cost-effective, durable, and reliable lift you'll ever own. LiftPoint by Mohawk, made in the USA and built to last. Learn more and see how adding a LiftPoint lift helps bring uptime to a whole new level.